Hey guys, it's Tana, and this is the Sephora Favorites perfume like samplers. And if you turn in the coupon, you can get which one was your favorite in the big bottle. So this was a birthday gift for me, so let's just try them out. Let's put the box right there. We have them laid out very nicely, as you can tell. Reese, sit down, please. Thank you. So the first one we have is a Calvin Klein perfume. The scent is warm florals, and it's the red.
Oh, maybe you just read this right here.
Oh, yeah. Juicy black currant notes, sweet orchard, accord tasted sesame trail, does notes. Okay, I'm not gonna. Oh, that's in
a different language.
Yeah, I thought I had to read that too. I was like, oh heck, no, I don't read that. All right, next one we have is the Good Girl perfume. The Good Girl perfume is almond, tuberose jasmine, tonka bean cocoa, cacao.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the Good Girl perfume.
So it comes with the Calvin Klein. So these are both warm florals, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So the Calvin Klein, the Carolina Herrera Good Girl.
Stay. Yeah, good boy, stay.
Yeah, so...
Guys, got a little cold.
Not feeling the best, right? But it's okay.
That's why I keep going.
All right.
Okay.
What's next?
Next one is Giorgio Armani My Way.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what this one's all about. Oh, this one's like closed, kind of. It's like no way to open it.
Oh, there's no way. Okay, so you can read it off of this.
This one's just a sample in there. But, so this is the Giorgio Armani. The scent type is classic florals.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Oh, wait, there's something else I wanted to read. Orange blossom and vanilla and tuberose.
Tuberose. So the main is going to be orange blossom and vanilla.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
And then what's next?
Daisy.
By
my mom has this one.
By Marc Jacobs?
Yeah, by Marc Jacobs.
Oh, I don't have that one anymore.
Oh, wait, I have it.
Yes, you do. Daisy by Marc Jacobs.
Sit down, Reese. Stay. Okay. So the Daisy one by Marc Jacobs is really pretty. And the scent type is fruity florals. Strawberry, violet, leaves, jasmine. I read what's in it, guys. I'm actually so good at reading.
So, yeah, that sounds nice.
So, this one also has in it, like, the notes is strawberry, violet, leaves, jasmine.
Ooh, so very nice and florally.
Yes, very nice. Next one is Alien it's like the Muggler one. If you guys sit down, boy, and stay.
Muggler. Alien Goddess.
Muggler. The scent type is warm florals, keynotes. I'm just going to read what I know. Jasmine and vanilla.
Okay, so that's going to be like the main ones.
Sit down.
I think tuberose has a lot of, or is in a lot of these perfumes.
Yes, especially vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla, tuberose, and yeah, very florally.
Next is the Prada one. So we're going to find Prada on our list. Oh, Nest, New York. Sorry about that. Nest, New York, and we're gonna see what's in this one. Where's Nest? Okay, here it is. The scent type is fruity florals.
Yeah, with lychee.
And what's in it is rose, absolute, lychee, or however you pronounce it, pink champagne. That's what's in it.
Ooh. So this one says, "Let your spirit sparkle" with lychee rose. That one. I think I would love this in a candle. I don't know if I would like to wear that, though.
Next, we have Prada.
What about you?
Well, I haven't smelled this one, actually. Let's smell this one.
So we did spray a couple of the other ones that we've already went over. Tom Ford is another very high-end perfume.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I think that's more of a better, like, candle fresh smell. That's like the smell you'd find in our house when we have a candle out.
Yes, I think that's for more.
Well, they also do have a lot of candles.
Oh, wait, hold on. I really, really like that. Hold up.
Oh, it is good after, like, a minute.
Oh my gosh. If you
No,
like
but
the
I feel
smell
like
of
this
rose.
I feel like this one's just good for candles because when we walk into our house, when the cleaning ladies come sometimes, when they put out a candle, this is what our house smells like.
Yeah.
So
we need
they
to
also
get,
do make a lot of candles though, so that probably makes sense too.
So if anybody wants to send us this nest in the lychee rose in a candle.
Boy. All right,
please.
next is the Ralph Lauren Romance. Wait, did we smell this one?
Nope, we didn't do
Oh, wait, I'm pretty sure I did.
By Prada.
Oh, no, we didn't.
Paradox.
So the Prada Paradox one is scent type is warm floral and white amber, white musk. What's white amber and white musk?
Different flowers. Musk is, I don't even know. Leave a comment down below
If you know what musk means.
Know how to explain musk.
All right, Ralph Lauren Romance is our next one. So, oh, sorry, Reese.
Oh, I like this one. This is way older perfume.
Okay, so scent type is classic florals. Keynotes lily white floral musk. There's musk again.
Yes, if you're not a musky person, you're not gonna like either of Paradox or Ralph Lauren.
Okay, so after that one is we next have Tom Ford Black Orchid.
This is the one I was talking about. This and the Victor Rolf Flower Bomb. They're very, very high end. Price point is like $180.
So the scent type for this one is warm florals. Black orchid, black truffle, and pistachio.
Ooh, I love pistachio.
You want to smell this one actually? I really want to.
Ones.
It looks more like classy.
Mm-hmm.
It looks classy. If that's how I can explain it. You got cramps. What?
Ooh.
Oh, I smell it. It kind of smells like Florida. For a second.
You know what? Let me see that one. What is this one? Tom Ford Black Orchid. Oh, so this is spicy. What does the note say on there for the Black Orchid?
It says warm florals, black orchid, black truffle, and pistachio.
So I can smell the Black Orchid, and let me see. I can
Reese,
see.
come here. Sit down, baby. Stay.
I don't really smell the.
Stay. He's being
Oh,
rude.
it's
Huh.
not pistachio. It says patchouli.
Oh, patchouli.
I was gonna say I don't smell the pistachio, but I did smell the patchouli.
Okay.
So if
Sorry,
you're
guys.
not, this is for
It's
a more
embarrassing.
spicy
Is that the
scent.
perfume?
Oh no, too much perfume. Come here, Reese.
Go over there.
Come here.
Oh, I'm running
Over
on my
here.
perfumes. I'm walking him there.
Yeah,
All right. So, guys, next one. Oh, next one we have
Wow, that one's
is we have Valentino next. The one I've been waiting for all day long.
holy. That one's very
So
strong. That
the
Tom Ford one.
Valentino one is smells like it's gonna. It sounds like it's gonna be nice. You know.
Wow.
So warm florals, black currant, jasmine, grand eye florum, bourbon, vanilla.
Bourbon is like a
vanilla.
whiskey.
And vanilla.
Okay.
So I want to smell this one really bad. Is that okay?
Okay, hold on. We need to air out the room some because this Tom Ford one is very, very strong.
Should I put the the fan on?
Yeah, I can turn it on real quick.
Okay, we have a remote for our fan. It's really cool.
Like, we're not going to be able to smell anything through this Tom Ford one.
Oh, wait a second, just to open it because it's not.
Wait to smell it till the end because I just smell this
So
Tom Ford one.
Valentine, I do too, honestly.
That one's strong.
But it's nice if it stays.
This could be a male or female perfume.
It smells more male though, a little more.
Yeah, it's very spicy, very masculine. There's a lot of masculine.
Oh, I didn't read what's it. Oh, yeah, I did read it also. Next one is Clean Reserve Warm Cotton. The scent type is warm and sheer. That's our newest one, warm and sheer. Keynotes: bergamot, benzoin, and musk. Musk again. What? Oh, sorry about that, guys.
Can you move over some?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
There you go.
I just used to leaning and stuff, I guess. So we have a new one. Warm and sheer, keynotes, bergamot, benzoin, and musk.
Oh, nice. Which one was that?
It was
The Clean Reserve?
yeah. No, that was Valentino.
Oh, Valentino?
No, that's that one.
Clean Reserve?
Yeah, Clean Reserve. Okay,
Sure.
next one we have is Flower
This is the
Bomb.
Clean Reserve one.
We have Flower Bomb next. I already used Flower Bomb.
We love Flower Bomb. That's like one of it's becoming popular, so it gets sold out so fast now, because I think it's popular with like the younger girls now. But it is very, very expensive perfume. The price point is very high on it. It's $180 for like a 3.4.
So I'm reading the scents, guys. So Mom, shh. I'm kidding, guys. So the scent type is warm florals, vanilla, jasmine, orange blossom. Ooh, that's why I like it so much. I love orange blossom.
The orange blossom.
So,
There's. Oh,
this one looks classy.
fell out. Which one? Oh, I have Saint Laurent.
Yeah, the Saint Laurent one.
Yves Saint Laurent.
After this, we only have one more.
Libre.
Guys. All right.
What's the?
So this one is scents is warm florals, lavender, orange blossom, musk, accord.
Ooh, let me see. I don't know what accord is
High five.
supposed to smell like. Musk accord.
Good boy, honey. Ow! Dang, Lucy.
Reese.
Wait, I understand them. High five. High five. Good boy. High five.
Can you high five? Oh.
No, you know high five.
Excuse you, sir.
High five. High
High
five.
five. Yes. Good boy.
Okay, so next one we have is Juliet Has a Gun. Not a perfume.
Yes.
But it's a perfume, guys.
That's
right?
the brand is not a perfume.
Yeah, not a perfume, but that's just what this one's called, I guess. But yeah, this one. This one, I'll show you what's in it. I'll tell you. Give me the notes, mother.
Oh, right here.
So,
Sorry, I'm holding it for myself.
okay, so next one. Scent time is warm and sheer. Key locks, snethic, ambergris. Read that one. I don't know that one.
Let's see.
High five. High five. Good boy, honey.
Ambergris.
No, high five.
Synthetic ambergris. Oh, so the keynotes is just Cetilox. Cetilox. I don't know how to say it or pronounce it. It's definitely, I don't know if it's going to focus. There we go. It did for a second. No, it's not going to. But it just says, it's definitely a warm and spicy. I would have definitely put the Tom Ford Black Orchid in the warm and spicy area too. But it says just floral. I don't know. But Clean Reserve and the Juliet Has a Gun are both warm and spicy. So when she uses these, maybe she can let you guys know which one. Or
how about this? I'll use one every day of the week, and I'll rate which one's my favorite on TikTok and YouTube.
Okay, and then maybe you can take them along when you go to Sephora to get it.
Yeah.
All right?
Bye, guys.
If you like videos like this, follow along and leave a comment down below what other videos you might like to see, right?
Yeah.
What do you think they would like to see next?
Maybe a...
Tyla is a gymnast. Maybe if you guys want to see more gymnastics related videos or get ready with her before school or anything like that, leave a comment down below and let her know.
This is how babies get hold.
Reese, are you just a big old baby?
He's literally not even like...
He's like 10 months old.
Yeah, he's like 10 months old. I was gonna say he's not even a baby anymore.
No, he's not.
He's becoming a big boy.
He is.
Oh, I'm gonna miss him when he becomes older.
Oh, he can be a cute old man.
Yeah, because he's not gonna get much bigger than this, guys. He's only gonna stay up to 4 pounds.
Yeah, I don't even think he hit 4 pounds. I think he's like 3.5 maybe. 3 and a penny, right? 3 and a penny. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.